Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about HostRocket. HostRocket is a web hosting company that provides services for individuals and businesses who wants to create and maintain their website. In simple terms, it's like renting a space on the internet where you can store your website files and make them accessible to others. So one of the main advantages of HostRocket is its reliability. They have strong infrastructure and robust servers that ensure your website stays online and perform well. This means that your website will be available to visitors most of the time, minimizing any potential downtime. So let's create the account. You need to register a domain first. So yes.com. Let's go. You can purchase a plan to begin to start in the account, or you can register the domain first. So check availability. It's available. I know this. So another positive aspect are in their customer support. HostRocket offers various ways to get in touch with their support team, such as live chat, email, or phone. They are known for their prompt and helpful response, which can be crucial for if you encountered any issues or have questions about your hosting. When it comes to features, HostRocket offers a range of tools and resources to help build and manage your website. They provide easy to use website builder, one-click installation for popular applications like WordPress, and sample storage space to accommodate your files. So let's add it to cart. Type in the domain you wish to register below and check availability. We already did that. Check availability. It's available, of course. Here, order now. Years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So let's choose only 1 year. Add it to cart. No hosting. Click to add. So here we have 16 gigabyte Intel E5 26020 2620. You can order depending on the need. So let's choose the first one. So however, one potential downside is that Rocket's pricing plans may be a bit higher compared to some other hosting providers. While they do offer competitive package, it is important to consider your budget and compare prices with other options before making a decision. So here is the product server, the billing cycle, monthly or annually. So here we have the host name, your domain, sorry, I'm trying to fast typing, but I make it wrong every time. Root password. I don't know where I will use this, but it's password. So here we have configurable options, operation system, control panel, first and second hard disk, third hard disk, fourth hard disk, fifth hard disk, sixth hard disk, additional RAM. We have port seed, tier 1 bandwidth. We have the remote backup storage, the EPMI KVM, the management. You can add some add-ons like SSL certificate and update the cards. Now, got it. Maybe later. So this is the system. Now, no hosting. Click to add. You can. Oh, we already added. Now, server name, server name. Now, just continue to purchase. It's a bit complicated here. So this is your list purchase, and the total will be $1,404.20. And you can continue shopping or empty the cart. If you have promotional code, Like, I don't think this website have promotional codes. And you continue to check out by creating the account and fill in your informations. So here, your detail, you need your first name, last name, company name, email address, password, your address where you live, second address if available, the city, the region, and the state. We have the zip code, the country. Why they put me in US every time? So here we have the phone number, SMS number, the mobile number, I mean, the marketing SMS. You can accept or deny. We have the domain registration information, card type, here to pay, the expiration date, the CVV or CVC2 number, notes, additional informations. You can type here if you have, you can enter any additional notes or information you want to include in your order here. Then you complete the order and you will be directed to the dashboard where you have to create the website. So in conclusion, HostRocket is a reliable web hosting provider with strong infrastructure and excellent customer support if you are looking for a hassle-free hosting experience and are willing to invest in a slightly higher price range. HostRocket could be a good choice for you. Now we talked about everything. Now we have resell VPS hosting, virtual private server. So become your own hosting provider. You can set here and the price will go higher. So how many blocks you can upgrade here, you can edit it manually. So we have a cPanel license for $40.95 per month, cPanel control, web host manager, rebanding solution, manage customer accounts, and others. Here we have the support, account management, knowledge base, submit a ticket, contact us. So for the contact, what do we have here? You can send an email. I don't think they have a live chat. Nope. Here, let's go back. We have here collocation services, one for track, half track, full track. So we have battery pack, secure access, premium network, DDoS protection, generator backup, and 24/7 365 tech support. And that's it for this video about HostRocket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.